Check this out. This is so cute. Got a mama bird and her little baby right here on the light. That is so cute. Just look at it. That is so something. That is so cute. I think that's a robin, but I'm not 100% sure. But there's a baby. I think there's a few more. I can only just see one right there. And I had to get a video of this right quick before I went to bed. This is so cute. And she built her nest right on the line. I think she's got a few more chicks. But this is so cute. This is so cute.